cry for help. Why don't you cry for the person you vote for when in power? Makeka muchacha so afa monto ma bi ani anwan kakra akogimam said the government should speed up the agenda 111 because people of hwan need hospital. Mahama teso na wo so wasisi ni nyina wo green book no aside monko yare a monko green book no na monko hospital. Green book no mo yare a monko hospital. Mo pekwan a mo tu mo car na mo fa green book. Roads now, no so. You were silent because now mujitum so won chantro. Anza afemo. Sa afemo musi dua mu mokoko. Eda mo so de enso ba ya fa mo no. Mama bi fa no. Wo dimrika akwasesa no ma good track mu di bram wo dimatem. O dimatem na mu nim. To we mu se bia jimifo for me the young makomo money side here you am ready physics ya umbesan to ama me de obeye ni meaning no you de obeye ni meaning no because say defense war na ama ensuo abefa me na se oba na se one fa alternative way bi say defense war na bia na ye nto aso na mo brema aduane di bia na je say ensuo no mfa me da na fa mo ebe da Yedi besia na nyame ya admo ochina yebeka double salary hunse obi oji double salary bia. Thank you very much Alberta. I wait there see me share pa let this message go. Aha fie TV bia no kore nsempa ni die ni buo agia akonya na ye ka no said ye we speak our candid mind. If I'm chow your page na your WhatsApp number da ho wa obepe se oni ebe program bia ye bia also beba live bia you are welcome. Ochina double salary nimde bia wo ho bia no said de bia ye ka no nyansa ni ba ko futiri. Aha na me gidi ye say fie ni fie TV ahwefo de say bi nyansa de mo fa no kwa so you help na ni sebi moa enantwie nanum nsuo baako yet obekwa akosa no no akogina akoto aba e de ama Haruna Idrusu because we Haruna Idrusu enti se mewu na ha be sei kra mfa me ho. Is that why we vote? And the people of Keta, me say 2024 Musa to my about the man NDC there. I will come back and tell you who you are. For now, let me be gentle and say Mabana moto no nyansanim people of Keta because in Omampanyi Kufo ne baye satam na NDC atena so for over 20 years. Omampanyi Kufo ne baye was there be even though these people are anti-MPP, but when I'm a president for all. And the Maminko see Keta see defense and my woman and suono and pronam befa woman. He did his best. MPP lost election 2-8. Every 2-8, Ebepim Semeka say, now we are in Swamp form. Keta. See the waves number form. And these are better than 8 years. Omo ba ye see defense akofo no the one year ne de no ashas ye omo ntimi anto aso yet omo de akọ parliament akwaji hu sika di and so you get the people of Keta kill ahomache say ekoto aba koto a no akoto am NDC na abato wo di nyansa na eto aba anasa wo de okoto ne keke. People of Keta wake up. Me say I'm going to hit constituency by constituency or china there me ba double salary so. But me bo constituency by constituency. I don't care. Say MPP kura na say they are not doing well there. Monsisam because ye Nana do buy was no these people also deserve better. Even though they are anti-MPP, the MPP as a political party believes say there's no politics. All is about governance. Inti ato abawie no pemasmo ya to awie etu nkotre de etwere now development mo me encha ni pepepe now ka say enye MPP ene kita this developmental ideas ni philosophia enka some part of Ghana sebi enka now enka hwa titia pansam na yembe ye interchanger. You have these parliamentarians from this same side come tell us we could interchange. Na interchange goes through Aba, insulting the indigenous people there. Hello. Insulting the indigenous people there. So omo dey sebi omo Jimmy omo nimi nyansa. Say yes, see interchange no many congratulate the government, you know. You sit in parliament because we are fools and voted for you ignorantly, and you went into parliament. Forget about us. Tamale Central, money Keta, me womoso. Sebi sa batu huna, mo sora no ma to line akotono. Se mo nyai, na se mo sa be yoma no kati. Now you have NDC to tell MPP say budget in yebeja tuma fa Keta. See defense shima sana yebepene na mo sebi munim nya answer say NDC will opposition they fighting good for you there. Why them bring them into power? Because Orun what power na NDC what power and for good 8 years. He never cared about you, people of Keta. He never cared. Now, about opposition, you know, or Chira say they care. Fine. Good. And yet it's idea. Why don't you keep them in opposition so they continue to care? In any case, say the incumbent government na ohona obuamo na so mo be show care na mo nya ne double. But mo dia mo say incumbent government MPP na wo ho a mo nko that nothing a voter region MPP ba pe na ye beti e ho they will nothing with them votarian hwan na mo sorry NDC buy anu makoda. Most time 2008 to 2016 we never heard of them say etie ho ekufado buy MPP buy what's on ye beti e ho edisa okosa like koto aba no amfa nyansan koto aba open mind ye anase open mind ni nguase me bisa oto aba because ese so oto aba ma obia se bi kokohwe kwa bia na hwe odu amabo a kire wo a political party abako emu nipa bitimi ka say me I love my country so well. I'm so much patriotic. I'm so much I'm more of a philanthropist than ordinary Ghanaian, and I work as a minister for Ghana.